Hello, students. I hope you all are fine and healthy. Today, we are going to start our next chapter of Class 5. We are special. We are special in so many ways because each and every person have different ability to perform it. No two individuals are alike. People are different from each other in many ways, like different food habits, choices, traditional clothes, interests, hobbies, likes, and dislikes. Learning objective of this chapter: Braille script, invention of Braille, symbolic language, cerebral palsy. Now, if we cover your eyes and ask you to read, then would you able to read? Your answer will be no. However, there are many people in the world who cannot see but they can read. Helen Keller was one such person who could not see but she was very famous writer. Now we are going to discuss about Braille. What is Braille? Braille is a system of writing and printing for people who are blind or visually impaired, in which varied arrangement of raised dots representing letters and numerals are identified by touch. Here you can see that the alphabet of Braille. Each letter has 6 dots, in which first dots raised that represent A. In second one, two raised dots represent B, and so on. You can read all these alphabet and practice to learn it. Here you can see that a scale and a pointed pen. This is used in Braille script. Like here, we can write a word smart, in which next line we write with the help of Braille script in Braille alphabet. In this system, shapes of all the letters and numbers are formed with 6 embossed dots. How does it work? A thick sheet of paper is placed on a wooden slab. A special scale is there on the paper, on which there are a group of 6 dots, each in a row. On that paper, we write the letter by making a hole accordingly with the help of a pointed pen. After this, the paper is turned over and the holes made can be felt as traced dot on the back side. By touching them, whatever is written on that paper can be read. Here you can read the cat, in which Braille alphabet is also used to identify by the blind people. Now we are going to study about a story of young man Louis Braille, who invented the Braille script. When, where and how he became blind, that thing we are going to study. Louis Braille invented the Braille script. He belonged to France. Once he was playing in his father's workshop, his eyes got injured. He became blind. Louis Braille was a brilliant student. He was being taught to use a special technique. One day, a captain of the army visited his school and he showed a script based on 12 dots developed by him to the students and teachers. Louis Braille became highly impressed by this script. He made many efforts and modified the 12 dots writing method into 6 dots method. Therefore, 6 dots method script developed by Louis Braille was given the name Braille script. Those persons who could not see, read and write with the help of Braille script, they can easily read or write. Now we are going to study about symbolic language, the way to understand the instruction through gestures, and for those people who cannot hear or speak is a special type of language known as symbolic language. Here you can see that the sign alphabet which they are used to understand that that write in symbolic language. That word you have to write in symbolic language with the help of this alphabet. Helen Keller was born on June 27, 1880 in United States. She was the first deaf blind person to earn a Bachelor of Degree. She has also written her autobiography named as The Story of My Life. Now, at last, we have to study about cerebral palsy. It is a type of disease. That thing we have to discuss. Cerebral palsy is a type of disease in which all the organs of the body, like hands, legs, etc., are okay but do not work properly. Due to this disease, the patient's brain has no control over the body. As you all know that brain is the main part that give action. After that we have to do work. Some specific type of exercise is required in this disease. Due to specific exercise, gradually brain starts controlling the organ of the body. Similarly, there are some specific exercise to perform the activities like reading and writing. By practicing the exercise, gradually the patient become normal. Thank you.